What's up, guys? Good morning. Do you have a electric lawnmower that you have to worry about getting through the front, getting to the front yard and going through a gate, and you don't want to buy one of these Segway Navimow or Luba gates that they offer for $350? So I have the Navimow X430, and I can cut everything in the back, but I have dogs and I have to keep the gate shut. So I came up with I've seen it online before. I did not come up with it, but I put an actuator. I'm going to put an actuator on my gate, and so you can electronically, through the app on your phone, use your Wi-Fi. Just click a button, your gate will open up. Click the button, your gate will close. Nobody even has to be home. So I'm going to show you how to hook that up. It's for under $100. You'll be able to get your mower around to the front to cut whatever grass you need. Stay tuned. All right, so this is just an overview of what I bought to get this whole thing working. So I'll put links to this in the comments. So this is just going to be your wall power supply. Coming straight to, so this box right here, all right, this is just a Wi-Fi reverse polarity switch box. I will put a link to everything I have here. So your positive and negative, okay, from the wall, positive, negative, from this wire right here. And then of course you have your two jumpers going to the back, your positive and your negative. Run them around to the back. And so you have 6 screws right here, and you can see exactly how I've got it wired up. So I'm just going to call this your number 1, okay? If you're looking at it and you're able to read the name, you've got your negative wire coming from your negative terminal here, right there. And then you use your negative jumper going down to the 4th screw down. And then your second screw is going to be the positive wire from your actuator. All right, I'll have a link in the comments for that. Positive wire on the second screw from your actuator. And then you're going to use a positive jumper wire on your 3rd screw to your 6th, and your positive jumper from the wall is going to come to number 6. All right, and then your negative for the actuator is going to be in screw number 5. And then you're of course going to have your jumper from number 4 to number 1, your negative jumper. So you can see exactly how I've got that wired up. Just make yours look the same as this, and I'll plug it up and show you how everything works. And it works perfectly. So I just use the app on my phone, and the instructions will come with this. It'll tell you the app to download. It's very easy. You just click a button, actuator extends, click the button, it closes. And we'll show you how to hook all this up. All right, guys, here's what we did. Got it all hooked up, operating correctly. So there's an app that comes with the Wi-Fi controller in the first part of the video, and you can just use that app to open and close the gate. You can also manually open it. And I'm gonna get all this in a little weatherproof box, but what you're going to want to do is, just to show you, so I could press one of the buttons and it will open up. Just like that, and then close it. So just to show you what I did here. So I just wrapped these in plastic bags last night because I don't have the box yet, but I'm just gonna move this box over here, and I'm gonna be able to put the main junction of the cords in there, and then this little Wi-Fi controller in that box, and I'll just put it up against the fence. That way the rain stays off of it. But as far as mounting this, so if you can see, I had to do it the best way to do it is going to be at an angle so it has some type of leverage to open. So I just, you know, my 4x4 post, I came out you know, 3 boards width and just screwed it in there. And then, so this is a I got this linear actuator. The first one I got was too long. This is only a 6-inch motion, so you're probably going to need, depending on your setup, the shorter. You'd be surprised, you know, the shorter the actuator stroke, most likely it'll open your gate up and do whatever you need. So I had to cut some of my bars away, which is no big deal because that was just to reinforce the wood gate anyways. I didn't want to mount it directly to the gate, you know, to this wood itself. It's been here a few years. So I put one piece of wood here, another one on the back side just to reinforce it. And then I just open the app, press the button, opens the gate up, and my mower drives right through it. So I'm pretty happy with it. It's cheap. This whole setup is under $100, and I'll put the link in the comments for exactly what I purchased. Hey guys, if you enjoyed the video, just a quick DIY electric gate opener for anything you want to use it for, but I have an electric, one of those battery lawn mowers that I let out the front to go cut the grass. So quick, easy, not hard to put together. You know, just use the app, press the button, even when you're not home, gate opens up, whatever you need to go through, and then you shut the gate. So again, I'll put the link in the description, if you, in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, stick around for more. Thank you and have a great day.